Thank you very much, Peter. You stay with us for further updates on this ongoing situation. The sixth group of patients from the Gaza Strip has arrived in Jordan to receive medical treatment facilitated by the Jordanian armed forces. Among the arrivals were 19 children, accompanied by 40 family members, coordinated by the Jordanian Ministry of Health and the World Health Organization. These patients will be transferred to local hospitals for specialised care. Let's take a listen in to what some of the public said about this situation.
ابني مصاب طلق متفجر عنده نقص عظم حوالي 10 سنتي وربنا انا جيت على الاردن ومش عارف حاجه بصراحه هم قالوا لي الاردن والمانيا مش عارف وين يودونا الاردنيين يا بودونا المانيا يا بضلنا عند الاردنيين.
Jordan plans to promptly send patients back to Gaza upon completion of their treatment, making way for the next group. Since February, Jordan has committed to treating 2,000 critically ill Gaza patients and has so far received 246 individuals, including patients and their families. Despite efforts to accelerate the transfer process, logistical challenges and ongoing military operations in the region continue to pose obstacles to ensuring safe and timely treatment for those affected. We're once again joined by Peter Baum to discuss this ongoing situation. Peter, what does this say about the situation in Gaza, both the health care situation, which reportedly has been completely obliterated by IDF forces, and also the situation that so many of these patients are children that have to be now treated abroad, that an international actor has to step in and treat these young people that have been injured in the Gaza Strip?
Yeah, I think what's interesting about this issue, Thomas, is that obviously the relationship and connections and talking between Israel and the Jordanians themselves. Given that, from what we understand, the hospital facilities in Gaza have been virtually destroyed, I suppose it's encouraging that Israel are now liaising closely with Jordan in order to facilitate the transfer of any injured people, be it women, children, or non-combatants.
Peter, do you think Israel is doing enough?
Well, from what I understand, Thomas, Israel is treating Gazans. There are Gazan patients within Israeli hospitals and have been for considerable time. Obviously, it's not given the publicity it deserves, but the fact that now Jordan are willing to accommodate injured people, I think must be a good sign and something that perhaps has been facilitated by the Trump administration too. It's clear that the facilities in Gaza are beyond repair in order to adequately treat the most seriously injured. Hopefully we'll see much more of this from both sides. Something else that has just hit my phone, Thomas, is I understand Hamas are going to respond to the 60-day peace treaty on Friday, tomorrow. We await news of that. Hopefully it will be a positive, and I think if that does happen, obviously we'll see many more injured people being treated as they should be treated in both Jordan, hopefully Egypt too, and within Israel.
Peter Baum, thank you very much as always for joining us on the programme. We now move over